fourth grade? Last week you coded your own hide-and-seek game in a site called Scratch. This week you'll create your own hide-and-seek game using your own characters. Keep watching and I'll show you how. On the home page, slide down to Technology. Click Technology. On the Online Tech page, slide down and click on 4th grade. Click 4th grade. Today's Google Classroom assignment says, Programming in Scratch. Hide and seek game. Now that you've coded a hide and seek game in Scratch using We Bare Bear, can you create a hide and seek game on your own? Continue to watch this video lesson and learn how to add a background, characters, and how to code a hide and seek game of your own. Now, click Scratch. This link opens up the Scratch editor. As we learned last week, this middle section is where we're going to write our code. The coding blocks are on the left, and our game is going to be here on the right. You can see here is Scratch Cat. To get rid of the Scratch Cat, go down to the bottom of the screen and hit the trash can. What character can you use for our hide and seek game? To add a character, click on the little cat face at the bottom. This says to choose a sprite. You can choose any one of these sprites as your character in your hide and seek game. Slide down. There are also categories at the top that you can choose from to limit your choices. I'll choose the ghost. Here's the ghost. Now I want to add a backdrop. The stage backdrops are way in the bottom corner of the screen. It looks like a mountain and a plus sign. This is where you'll choose a backdrop. Where is your hide and seek game going to take place? Slide down to take a look at all of the backdrops. My hide and seek game will be played in the bedroom. Click the bedroom. Now we're ready to code. Make sure to select your character to code for your character. Do you remember how we started? Go to the events. The first event will be when the flag is clicked. Click and hold and drag it out. Next, we want to go to the variables. Click on the orange variable button at the bottom. We want to make a variable called a score. Click Make Variable and type in score. Then click OK. Now we want to set the score to 0. Click on Set My Variable to 0. Only change the down arrow to score. Now, when the flag is clicked, we'll set the score to 0. Now we need a forever block. Go to the control. Click and hold on a forever block and drag it over. Connect it to set score to 0. Now go to motion. The motion are the top blocks in blue. Count down 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. This says to go to random position. Click and hold and drag it over. Put it in the forever block. Remember how silly this is? If I hit the flag now, watch what happens. Crazy. Hit stop we need to slow down our ghost. Let's go to looks. We want to slide down and choose hide. We want to tell our ghost to hide for 1 second. Go to the controls. Wait for 1 second. Now we want to go back to looks. Slide down to show. One more control block. And that is another wait. Remember, we can speed up our game or slow down our game by changing the seconds here on these 2 blocks. Let's see what happens. Hit the flag. Nice. Now hit stop. Now let's keep score. Go back to the events. Use the event that says when this sprite is clicked. What's going to happen when the sprite is clicked? I want to score a point. Go to variables. We want to change my variable by 1. But remember, change it to score by pulling down on the drop-down box and choose score. When the sprite is clicked, I'm going to change the score by 1. But maybe I want him to say boo. Go to looks. Say hello for 2 seconds. Pull that block over and connect it. Say boo for 1 second. Let's try our game. Click the flag. Nice job. Can you add more characters to your game? Or can you resize your character to make it smaller so that it's harder for you to see it? To resize, use the size button. Right now it's at 100. What happens if I change it to 50? My ghost is small. Now that my ghost is small, my game will be harder. Add more sprites. Code for those sprites to play your game. Good luck with this week's assignment, and I'll see you next time.